List of our programming topics that are commonly covered at the beginning level. When you data types in AMP, structure/u the different data types in are such as numeric, character, logical, complex in AMP, how to manipulate data using our data structures such as vectors, matrices, lists in AMP, data frames. 2. Control structures. This involves learning how to use R's control structures such as if-else statements, loops, and functions to control the flow of a program. 3. Data visualization. This includes learning how to create basic and advanced plots using R's graphics system, including scatter plots, line graphs, bar charts, histograms, and more. 4. Data manipulation. This involves learning how to manipulate data using our functions for filtering, sorting, merging, and aggregating data. 5. Statistical analysis. This includes learning how to perform basic statistical analysis using R, including descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. 6. Machine learning. This involves learning how to build and evaluate machine learning models using R's machine learning packages such as caret, random forest, and xgboost. 7. Data mining. This includes learning how to extract useful information from large datasets using R's data mining packages such as dplyr, tidyr, and stringr. 8. Web scraping. This involves learning how to extract data from websites using R's web scraping packages such as rvest and XML. 9. Data import and export. This includes learning how to import and export data to and from R using different file formats such as CSV, Excel, and SPSS. 10. Reproducible research. This involves learning how to write R scripts and reports that are reproducible, transparent, and shareable, using tools such as R Markdown and knitr.